సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to discuss change of entropy when ice changes into steam. Let us consider ice of mass m grams at the temperature T1 Kelvin. Let this substance melt at temperature T1 Kelvin. So this substance melted T1 Kelvin and boiled at temperature T2 K. This is the melting temperature. This is the boiled at T2 Kelvin. Let L1 and L2 are latent heats. L1 and L2 are latent heats. So first of all, ice of m grams at T1 Kelvin change into water at same temperature. There is no change in temperature. The change of entropy is given by, here the change of entropy is the delta S equals to m L1 upon T1. m L1 upon T1. Here there is no change because at the T1 Kelvin the ice is changes into water. Here L1 is the latent heat. Delta S is the m L1 upon T1. Here L1 is the latent heat. Second of all, m grams ice at T1 Kelvin changes into water at T2 K. Here the entropy changes delta, this is the delta S1, this is the delta S2 is equals to integration of T1 to T2 dq upon T. Here the change is T1 to T2. In the first position T1 to T1 ice to water, this is the first change in entropy. Second change in entropy is the integration T1 to T2 dq upon dt. Here changing into T1 Kelvin to T2 Kelvin. So here this equation can be written as delta St equals to T1 upon T2. Here dq is the mc dt. Here m grams C is the specific heat, dt is the change in temperature upon T. So here mc is the constant, delta S2 equals to integration of T1 to T2. Here mc is the constant 1 upon T into delta T dt. So this equation can be written as delta S2 is equals to mc, this is the log T T1 to T2. So delta S2 equals to mc log of T2 upon T1. Log of T2 upon T1. Here C is the specific heat. Finally, m grams of water at T2 Kelvin changes into steam. At the same temperature. In this position, the entropy changes is the delta S3 equals to same temperature. So this equation can be written as L2 upon T2. Here three changes of entropies. First one is the delta S1 equals to mL1 upon T1, because in the same temperatures ice is changes into water. And the second position, this is the second position, the second entropy changing is the temperature is changing into T1 to T2, ice is changing into water. The final position the water at T2K changes into steam in the same position, same temperature. So this equation can be written as delta S3 equals to ml2 upon T2. Same temperatures are ml1 upon T1, same temperatures of ml2 upon T2. Here L1 is the latent heat, here L2 is the latent heat. So the total change in entropy is the delta S1 upon delta S2 upon delta S3. So this equation can be written as ml1 upon T1 plus mc log T2 upon T1 to the base e plus ml2 upon T2. So this equation can be written as total change delta S equals to S1 plus delta S1 plus delta S2 plus delta S3. So this equation can be written as ml1 upon T1 plus here 2.303 mc log to the base 10 T2 upon T1 plus ml2 upon T2. This is the change of entropy when ice changes into steam. This is the equation of change of entropy when ice changes into steam.